Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to delay and schedule Windows Update. You might be doing something and then a message such as Windows Update might come, but you don't want to update it right now. This is how you can do it. Click on the search box and type in Windows Update settings. This is where you can schedule all its update activities. You might want to schedule restart options or even change active hours. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.